What's the meaning of centigrade? Centigrade. Centigrade.
Centigrade. Centigrade. The term centigrade is a temperature scale used to measure the degree of heat. It is also known as Celsius, named after the Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius, who developed the measurement system in 1742. The centigrade scale has 100 degrees between the freezing and boiling points of water at standard pressure. The freezing point of water is set at 0 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is set at 100 degrees Celsius. This scale is commonly used around the world for scientific research and everyday use.